157 asks to construct a Riemann sum to estimate the area of a bounded region by the x-axis of the function 1 over 2 to the x minus 1, and the lines 1, x is greater than or equal to 1 and x is less than or equal to 5, and they asked to construct it with using 50 right-hand triangles. So to start off with, we're going to fill in the variables. So right here, I have the setup of what our Riemann sum is going to look like. So n is the number of triangles, which is equal to 50. Our function is 1 over 2 to the x minus 1. And delta x is equal to b minus a, which is our regions, 5 and 1. So 5 would be b and 1 would be a. So it would be 5 minus 1 divided by n, which is our total number of triangles. And once you simplify that, you get 2 over 25 as our delta x. And then when you come down to fill in the Riemann sum, you start with I equals 1 because they're right-hand triangles, and our n is equal to 50. Our delta x is 2 over 25, and then our function, and we do 1 plus, and we plug in 1 plus 2 over 25i into our function. And then that would look like, so this part would be plugged into the x value. So that would look like this. So 1 over 2 to the 1 plus 2 over 25i minus 1 comes from the original function, which it's already given. So when you simplify that, you get the 50 as n, I equals 1, 2 over 25, and then the function times the function 1 over 2 to the 2 over 25i. And then you can take your calculator and plug that in. It's on the math and summation, and you simply plug in your n, your I, your delta x, your function, and then your delta x again in terms of x. And then once you solve it, you get 1.315 as approximately your answer.